All right, guys, here's the HOVSCO cart. It is electric. It can hold 2 children. It has pedal assist. It has disc brakes. You can fully customize this bike to your liking. You have a key for your battery. It does come with the charger. The seat came standard. You can adjust it with some additional add-ons. Up front, you've got your display right here. This is only showing like that because of the video. You have your light. You can do up of, I think, 5 pedal assists. You get your miles per hour, your odometer. You've got your brakes up here, brakes here, your Shimano gear shift in here. Very comfortable seat that is fully adjustable. Now, I'm gonna load her up and show you how I would use it to go bike packing, because that back seat is gonna be the key to all of our problems. All right, you wanna go on an adventure? Look how easy this is gonna be. I just took a mesh cargo straps and put it in the bottom, put it in here. This is a 40-liter dry sack. That thing will hold a ton. You have all the room in the world. You want to put some panniers on here, it can sit right here. You can attach bags to that. You can attach bags all the way around. Get your entire camping setup on your bike. If you've got little people back here, your seat has a handle, but I want to use this for bike packing. You can configure this in any way you want. They also sell a basket for the back, which would make it easier. They have a basket for the front as well. But look at all your connection points. You can put all the stuff, and this sucker has the power. It holds up to 400 pounds. You have the power to take your entire camp setup with you. The battery, I believe it goes up to 70 miles. I'll have to double check that. With your pedal assist, and that really is dependent upon how much weight you put in the bike and how far and how much of the pedal assist that you're using. We're not even going to talk about the fantastic color here because that is wild. Your fat tires are going to make this ride super comfortable. You have your shock, so if you're going out somewhere a little off grid, you have your brake or your kickstand down here, so she's not going to have to lay in the mud. It's great. I love the front shock absorbers. You can also attach a basket to the front and carry more gear. Think grocery shopping if you're in the city, camping, errands, take your kids for rides, leave this sucker at the campground. You will have so much fun and more. So let's take a little spin, shall we? All right, guys, we are out having the best time. This is so fun, and we're going so fast. You're gonna go camping, to the grocery store, take your kids for a ride, just go out for a leisurely stroll, enjoy summer. This is the bike for you. I highly recommend for any outdoor adventure you're willing to go on or excited to do this year. So I hope you check it out. There is a link in the description, and I hope you have a great summer.